In this video, what I have here is a drone, a small foldable drone by the company SYMA, and this is the X200 drone. So just kind of like going over it here, it has the, the takeoff and landing, the arc takeoff, the 360-degree flips. This thing can do tricks and flips. It has a gyroscope built in. It's got flashing lights on it. It uses 2.4 gigahertz frequency, and then it has a nice little hover feature on it. And it's made for ages 8 and up. And just kind of looking over it, it's got a little foldable there. Rolling over the back, some things on the back. It's the brand name is the SYMA, and the product name is Drone. It's the model. The motor's the 06. The battery life is 3.7 volt, 400 milliamp battery. And looking at the gross weight of this whole drone is 35 grams, which is pretty small. Very nicely packaged here, very cleanly. Let's open it up and see what you get in the package. I did take it out and kind of look at it, and then I absolutely love the way they made this case. And show y'all, number one, you get the drone itself, and this, look at this. Believe it or not, everybody, this is the controller and the drone. You don't need your cell phone for this, so it's not like one of those. Opening it up, you get a little cover that comes on the drone, and is that not the coolest thing ever? Let me come back to that. And then in this box right here, little props, little propellers, you get a whole little bag of those. And if you're like me, if you anything about drones, you know how many times you break those things. And then you get a proprietary charger that goes to the drone, and to charge it, you're just going to go in right there. So you're going to need to keep that charger, and then you get this little like screwdriver here, and the screwdriver covers two things. It covers the changing of the props right here. It works on that, but then it also works on taking this apart, and this takes two like AAA batteries. So it is the two AAA batteries down inside there. And then you get a little set of instructions. It covers the battery. And then you get a little set of instructions on how to use the drone. But you know what? I'm a drone expert, so I do not need these. And then you get a little hover and landing pad. So yeah, there it is. That's all of the stuff to it here. And let me just go over the drone and show you what you get. Look at how it opens. So this one flies open that way, and that one opens like that. And that one opens like that, and that one's, and they have wordings on it, so little prop. And it doesn't have prop guards, so you need to be careful flying this thing. You can see to turn it on, you basically just, I did charge it. Is that not cool? It's got flashing lights there in the front, no lights in the back, but it's actually a pretty good sized drone. And to turn that on, just hit the button there. It's gonna let you know that it's connected. Mash down on the sticks. It just connected. Mash the two sticks inward, and look what it does. It starts the drone. You guys can see it. And if you let it go, it will shut itself off. You can see how it started right there. I'm not going to fly it right here. I'm going to wait till I get out. I'm just going to kind of show y'all some of the features on it. This is the headless mode. This is the, I think that's the speed. This is they have little indicators right here. This is the 360 flip mode. And this is the, I can't remember what that is. That's a trim to kind of like trim it on side to side movement. And then this is landing and takeoff. So it's pretty simple. If you've ever flown a drone, you'll know exactly. I'm not going to go over how to fly this thing, but I will show y'all with it in action. So let me go ahead and put this thing to the test and get it flying, and let's see what it looks like. So let's do that now. So you want to just kind of like go and check it out, everybody. See that flip? Check out the flip action. If you just want to hover, I'm not doing anything, it's just hovering right here. It does get blown around by the wind. That flip is this button right here. It actually flips sideways too, check that out. And then to land it. Well, that was close enough. I almost hit the landing pad. Very responsive for the size of the drone, and I'm somebody that's flown a lot of little drones, and I can tell you, I have actually a $1,000 DJI Mavic, and it flies almost identical to the way that the Mavic flies. This is a great trainer drone for anybody that's just wanting to learn how to fly a drone. Get something like this so you're not destroying your personal drone. You can practice with this, and then when you get up to the higher end ones, then you can really practice. Very fun, very small little toy, indoors, outdoors. Feels feels really good. It's very responsive. Highly recommend this little thing. And then when we want to put it up, just hold down the button right there, close that off, and then check this out. Look how tight this thing gets. This is a fun little toy for somebody. And then turn that off, and that just fits. Close the little props up in there like that. That fits down in there like that. And check it out. You have a nice little carrying case and everything you need right there. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the, the SYMA mini drone. See you guys in the next video. Woo!